Yung pan mainit.
Di nga, para hindi maano yung kandila mo.
Ubus na yung kandila mo, lalagay na sa cake mo.
Basa.
Ay, paano ba yun? Paano ba yun?
With the fans.
Oh, yan, aircon.
Patay na yan. Yan, cake. Galing, no?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello!
Kipli, ay kipli ka rin.
Again!
Happy birthday!
Looking forward to you.
Okay,
Jai, Jai.
Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, prelude. Blow.
Make a wish.
A wish, humaba pa buhay.
Mapapabuhay.
20 more chicken.
Sinari na tayo.
Oh, galing nga.
Sino?
Oh. 20 more chicken. Okay.
Let's eat. Oh, look at Karen, oh.
Oh.
RJ, look at Karen.
Dude, you're freaking sick, man!
We're gonna put it now. She even blows Karen, oh.
Yeah, sit down again!
Hala.
Think she's good.
Go for me. Hi, RJ, take care.
Hi, RJ, take care.
Girl or boy?
RJ, take care.
Boy. Oh my God.
That's for carrots.
Spoil lang kami sana, okay?
Boy?
Girl.
You're good. Give me
I
five.
want this one.
Ganyan ang cup.
Jay, tomorrow we're running tomorrow. Tomorrow morning.
Meron eh, ano ang ilong mo? Darat, susunod yung ano.
Are you gonna get fat?
Try
Time
to
is
yung
oil.
number 1.
22 minutes in 1 hour.
Wow, ang sarap.
Wow. Jay, oh, you like that, Jay?
Like that, let's go eat.
Ooh, chocolate ice cream.
Come on, Jay.
Ayan na si John, oh. Kaya na,
Jay, come back to Guangzhou.
you don't have cars, You don't have this, RJ. Sabi ko kay Tita sa balik na eh.
Yeah, that one.
Sabi niya wala na akong pera dito.
No, I want the one with the
Ka. Ubusin mo. Eh, puto
Wala namang ano sa California.
Sabi ko, tumatanda ka na si Patrick, lumalaki na. Kakain na kasama niya yung mga pinsan niya habang lumalaki sila.
Oo.
Patrick is just staying in his room. Oo. Naku.
Tumataba.
Sabi ko kasi ganyan yung yung namatay, lumaki siya.
Oo, computer
Walang
lang.
activities.
Oo.
Sabi ko, uy, sige, tapos bigay sa akin yung coke. Sabi ko, balik ka na dito. Sabi yung bata.
Kaya nga.
Kasi ka na sa
Like 2 pieces.
Oh my goodness. Call your friend. That's the reason why I got this.
Kung yung ano, Andrew.
Ako, give us food. Ako, cake. Okay, half of that. Sarap pa, special talaga.
Oo, talaga.
Galing talaga pag may ano
Iba na, basta if the dough is big already, ha?
Oo.
Pero,
No? Okay?
Ang pundasyon, magandang pundasyon. Okay.
what's called the shop?
Yung ano, yung beginning, yung pundasyon.
Yeah.
Kung paano ano.
Went to the movies.
And,
He doesn't want to go to his family.
why?
Ito kayo.
Go on, guys.
Oo. Come here.
Here, take
Andrew cannot eat.
Why?
sick. Very
You
sick.
always cannot eat that guy.
No, this is good if you're sick. Ice cream is good.
Ito.
Ito kayo.
Kain ka na po.
You want one more?
Oh, ice cream.
Next one more.
Kain na. Here.